They said you can put it in it. Well, we can get glass of milk out. I can't drink milk.
We got yours now.
Yeah, but it's unsweetened. And I cannot drink. What is that?
Really spicy pepper.
I did.
Do not fight her. No, your mom would kill me.
I gotta try pepper.
Oh, shit.
I don't know.
You need no clown. No clown. Stop laughing.
What? Why am I laughing?
Don't laugh. They cannot.
Ow! Milk. Is water having more?
Stop, Michael.
I didn't. That's water.
Stop. Stop, Carter. Stop laughing.
Why are you laughing?
Go to your room. Go to your room.
Hey, milk. Is that spicy?
Carter.
But then I'll take care of it. Okay, Evan.
Calm down.
Someone get Evan.